Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. So today I wanted to kind of play off of Chris's video about what every cruiser wants. There was a complaint about the showers. So my tip based off of that complaint is if you don't like the shower in your room, because they are small, and ladies, we all know it is very hard to get your legs shaved in those showers. They are cramped, but they're adequate. They do the job. But if you are wanting a bigger shower, my tip to you would be go down to the gym and use the gym showers and the sauna. Now, the only downfall I see with that is having to carry your stuff down there, your extra change of clothes. If you use special toiletries and stuff like that, you would have to carry all of that down with you and then carry it back to your room. But the showers there are bigger. They do have the saunas there. If you like to use the saunas, they are free. So yeah, if you want a bigger shower, definitely go down to the gym. Like I said, though, you do have to carry all of your stuff, so keep that in mind. Now, they'll have the towels and they'll have the stuff that they normally have in the shower in your cabin. But if, like I said, if you use special stuff or prefer special stuff, you would have to carry that. So yeah, quick, easy, just playing off of Chris's video again. I do know that sometimes people just like a bigger shower. I know for me with my long hair, yeah, I bump my elbows and run into the wall and stuff like that trying to wash my hair. So it can get a little cramped in there and everything. So if you do want the bigger shower, definitely try the gym shower. Like I said, they have the saunas in there. Chris loves going in the saunas. Me, I have a hard time breathing in them, so I prefer to stay out of them. That's my tip for the day. Hope it helps. If there are any tips that you would like to see, please list those in the comments below. If you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button. It lets you know when we have new videos out and just helps our channel grow. Hope y'all have a great weekend and a great week. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.